Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope all of you will be fine. My today's video is about coronavirus COVID-19. What is coronavirus? Coronavirus are a family of viruses that can cause respiratory illness in humans. They are called corona because of crown like spikes on the surface of the virus. Severe acute respiratory syndrome SARS, severe acute respiratory syndrome, Middle East respiratory syndrome, and the common cold are examples of coronaviruses that cause illness in humans. The new strain of coronavirus COVID 19 was first reported in Wuhan, China in December 2019. The virus has since spread all continents. How many people are infected with COVID 19? The number of people infected changes daily. Over 485,000 people have died. Some 192 countries and territories on all continents have now reported cases of COVID 19. How do you get infected with COVID 19? COVID 19 enters your body through your mouth, nose, or eyes directly from the airborne droplets or from transfer of the virus from your hands to your face. This virus travels to the back of your nasal passages and mucous membrane in the back of your throat. It attacks to cells there, begins to multiply, and moves into lungs tissue. From there, the virus can spread to other body tissues. How does the new coronavirus COVID 19 spread from person to person? COVID 19 is likely spread. The virus travels in respiratory droplets released into the air when an infected person coughs, sneezes, talks, sings, or breathes near you within 6 feet. You may be infected if you inhale these droplets. You can also get COVID 19 from close contact, touching, shaking hands with an infected person, and then touching your face. It's considered possible to get COVID 19 after touching a contaminated surface and then touching your eyes, mouth, or nose. Where do coronaviruses come from? Coronaviruses are often found in bats, cats, and camels. The virus live in but do not infect the animals. Sometimes these viruses then spread to different animal species. The viruses may change as they transfer to other species. Eventually, the virus can jump from animal species and begins to infect humans. In the case of COVID 19, the first person infected in Wuhan, China, are thought to have contracted the virus at a food market that sold meat, fish, and live animals. Although researchers don't know exactly how people were infected, they already have evidence that the virus can be spread directly from person to person. How long is a person infected with COVID 19 considered contagious? If you are infected with COVID 19, it can take several days to develop symptoms, but you are contagious during this time. You are no longer contagious 10 days after your symptoms begin. The best way to avoid spreading COVID 19 to others is to stay 6 feet away from others whenever possible. Wear a cloth mask that covers your mouth and nose. when around others. Wash your hands often. Avoid crowded indoor spaces. Bring in outdoor air as much as possible. Stay self isolated at home if you are feeling ill with symptoms that could be COVID 19 or have a positive test for COVID 19. Clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces. Who's most at risk for getting COVID 19? Person at greatest risk of contracting COVID 19 are people who live in or have recently traveled to any area with ongoing active spread speed. People who have had close contact with a person who has a laboratory confirmed or a suspected case of COVID 19 virus. People over age 60 who have pre existing medical condition or a weakened immune system. What are the symptoms of the novel coronavirus COVID 19 infection? The CDC says you may have coronaviruses if you have these symptoms or a combination of symptoms: fever or chills, cough, shortness of breath, tiredness, headache, new loss of taste or smell, sore throat, congestion or runny nose. Additional symptoms are possible. How can I prevent getting the novel coronavirus COVID 19? The best defense to prevent getting COVID 19 is to get vaccinated. You should also follow the same steps you would take to prevent getting other viruses such as the common cold or the flu. Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds, especially before eating and preparing food. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth to prevent the spread of viruses from your hands. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue when sneezing and coughing. Clean frequently used surfaces with a virus killing disinfectant. Greet people with a friendly gesture instead of shaking hands.